Unraveling the mystery, picking someone's brain. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English idiom that you've probably heard but might not fully understand: picking someone's brain. This phrase is a gem in conversational English, and mastering it can add a layer of nuance to your communication. So, let's unravel this mystery together. When we say we want to pick someone's brain, we're not talking about a scene from a horror movie. Instead, this idiom means to ask someone questions to gain their knowledge, insights, or opinions on a particular subject. It's a casual and friendly way to ask for advice or information from someone who knows more about a topic than you do. The phrase, picking someone's brain, has a rather graphic imagery, but its origins are far from literal. It's believed to have come into use in the 20th century, with the idea of picking, likened to foraging or carefully selecting bits of useful information, much like one might pick berries from a bush. This section of the video would explore how language evolves and adapts, giving rise to such colorful expressions. Using picking someone's brain in conversation is straightforward, but knowing the right context is key. This phrase is best used in informal settings or when you have a rapport with the person you're asking. Here's an example. Hey, you're really good with computers. Can I pick your brain about what laptop I should buy? To solidify your understanding, this section will showcase various scenarios where picking someone's brain can be applied, from professional environments to casual conversations. For instance, in a work setting, you might say, "I'm working on a project about renewable energy, and I'd love to pick your brain since you have experience in this area." And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning, origins, and use of the phrase, picking someone's brain. We hope this video has enlightened you and added a new expression to your English repertoire. Remember, language is a window to culture, and idioms like this one offer a peek into the nuances of English-speaking communities. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of language.